Does the idea of detoxing your home, your body, or your lifestyle feel like too much? And maybe you're just staring at all your products, wondering, where do I even start? Trust me, I get that. But here's the good news, you don't have to do it all at once. Welcome back, friends. And if you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Julie. My intention is to provide you with information to help you live your best, most vibrant life. And today I'm sharing 4 simple stress-free tips to help you ditch the overwhelm and start detoxing with confidence. So let's go. Tip number 1, perfection is not the goal. Detoxing is a journey, not a race. So start by making one small change at a time. Swap out your deodorant. Replace your candles with essential oils and a diffuser, or switch your plastic water bottle for a glass or stainless steel. Every little step adds up. Tip number 2, go for the biggest wins first. Instead of stressing over every single product, focus on the ones that you use the most or that will have the biggest impact on your health, like cleaning supplies, skincare, and air fresheners. Once you tackle those, the rest will feel way easier. Tip number 3, don't throw everything out all at once. That's overwhelming and expensive. So use up what you have, and when it comes time to replace it, choose a non-toxic cleaner option. Now, this makes the process gradual, affordable, and way less stressful. Tip number 4, you don't have to do this alone. Find a supportive community, whether it's online, through a Facebook group, or even finding a few like-minded friends. You can also check out my Facebook and Instagram pages for support if you'd like. The links are in the description. So share your wins, swap recommendations, and keep it fun. Now, learning about non-toxic living doesn't have to feel like a chore. It's an exciting way to invest in your health. All right, now it's your turn. What's one small step you can take today to start detoxing without the overwhelm? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little encouragement. We're in this together, one simple swap at a time.